Goggles. Turns out my drone that I broke in the last video. Yes, we'll put you down, Bubba. There you go. That's Spanky. He's a good boy. Turns out, after looking at the DVR, the front right prop exploded. Not sure why. I think that's like the second time in 3 years that's ever happened. I'm just gonna guess, because I just was bashing the hell out of it and I never changed my props, that it probably did some damage. And just finally, when I ramped it up trying to get it to full throttle, it didn't like it, so it exploded. So because I don't have video of me putting props on and like testing it, like literally just put new props on it and it works. So because it works, I went and ripped the hell out of the yard. So yeah, let's go watch me fly like a bird on crack in the yard. Hell yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Okay. Writing on writer's block. Haven't slept in days, they wanna put me in the psycho watch. Everyone's afraid of what I do inside my studio. Worried I'ma lose control, they ruffling my feathers and they shuffling the Yu-Gi-Oh! Execution flow, action act like new cologne. Uno dos, bitch, I'm in your head like Freddy Krueger though.
My brain fried, always chasing the same high. I'm too fucked up to function, do nothing but waste time.
Woke up annihilated, lying on a pavement covered in items I regurgitated under a fire escape. And I know that it's Friday, cause every Friday they have a parade in front of City Hall. Hear them celebrate, they having a ball. My pupils dilated, highly dehydrated. I'm lost inside a giant matrix. Isolate myself from eyes I find contagious. Jump above the come down. I'm strung out, not enough inside the dugout. Don't be scared, just come with me. It feels so good to feel this free. What are you afraid of? Tell me what you're made of. What are you afraid of? It's just a little angel dust. La da 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 da. La da da da. La da da angel dust. La da da. Yeah. La da da. Yeah. La da da. I'm playing hot potato on a Winnebago. The chips are stale, they taste okay though when they dipped in queso. And what's an angel with a miss a halo? She would drop out of school to take a trip to Dayglow. Found a 20 laying by the sewer rats. You know little Stuart hasn't been in any movies lately. He spent his paychecks on cocaine and latex. His agent working hard to try and book him a commercial. What I do should not concern you, do this till I turn blue. Not Eric Sermon, I'm more Merlin curses, turn him into bird food. Hurry to make the first move, I'm walking like Herschel. And now we at the end of verse 2. Oh. Don't be scared, just come with me. It feels so good to feel this free. What are you afraid of? Tell me what you're made of. Yeah. What are you afraid of? It's just a little angel dust. La da 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 da. La da da da. I said it's just a little angel dust. La da da la da da la da da.
Hey, and if you're still here watching, what's good? I appreciate you watching my trashy, dirty DVR. We'll roll through the shoutouts. Joe Photo Leo, Will C FPV, Bartman Dude, Safe Zone FPV, Lambo Drives, Mountaineer FPV, How High Drones, Flapjack FPV, Off Axis, Bot Grinder, Spider Sugar, FPV, Joshua Bardwell, Matty Blunts, X-Jet, Slat FPV, Grim Ripper, Staceman FPV, Zoe FPV, Granny FPV, and Freedom FPV 84. Thanks for watching my dumb low quality channel. I really appreciate that. Means a lot, and it's also cool. Like, we get to build and fly these goofy ass things, and then like literally, it's the ability to go fly. To share that with the internet, that's pretty dope. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go, and y'all can live y'all's. Ooh, sorry, I had to adjust it. Live y'all's awesome lives, and I'll get the fuck out y'all's face, and y'all can have an awesome evening, day, morning, whenever you're watching this. So, anyways, thanks for watching.